Hello everyone, welcome back to Upcoming IAS. So today I'll start chapter 6 of 8th class polity ncert, that is understanding our criminal justice system. So let's have a look at it, what it is all about. So firstly, it has been given the police are not the sole decision makers in criminal cases, as the court of law determines guilt. The constitution requires a fair trial for all charged individuals. Understanding the process and roles of different individuals in the criminal justice system is crucial for avoiding legal issues. A fictional case of theft illustrates this process. Yes, below a storyline has been given, emphasizing the importance of understanding the roles of different individuals in the criminal justice system. If you want, you can pause the video and have a look at this storyline that has been given in a very pictographic manner. So what happened is SI Rao forcibly keeps Sushil in the police station for 2 days. Sushil is abused and beaten by SI Rao and other police constables. They try and make him confess that he and his sister Shanti had a gang of domestic servants that have stolen jewelry from other homes. There have been other complaints of theft of jewelry from Shinde's neighborhood. As Sushil keeps repeating that he is an innocent factory worker, the police let him go after 2 days. On 14th of September 2006, what happened is the police files a charge sheet in the magistrate's court. The court gives a copy of the charge sheet, including statements of witness, to Shanti. Shanti tells the court that she has no lawyer to defend her against this false case of theft. The magistrate appoints Advocate Kamla Roy as Shanti's defense lawyer at government expense. So, according to Article 22 of the Constitution, every person has a fundamental right to be defended by a lawyer. Article 39A of the Constitution places a duty upon the states to provide a law to any citizen who is unable to engage one due to poverty or other disability. So here timeline has been given. So on 20th of April 2007, Advocate Roy examines Sushil and his employer as defense witnesses. Through their testimonies, she is able to show that the rupees 10,000 found in Shanti's trunk could well be the earnings of Sushil and Shanti. Okay. What is the role of the police in investigating a crime? The four key players in the criminal justice system are the police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer, and the judge. The police investigate crimes by recording witness statements and collecting evidence. They form an opinion based on the evidence, filing a charge sheet in court if it supports the accused's guilt. So here we'll discuss about DK Basu guidelines. The DK Basu guidelines established by the Supreme Court of India outline guidelines for police during arrest, detention and interrogation. These guidelines ensure clear identification, proper documentation and respect for human rights while also ensuring arrestees' rights, including not being tortured or using confessions as evidence. So we'll also discuss about the first information report. Shanti was arrested for theft and her brother Sushil was kept in police lockup for 2 days. It was legal for the police to detain him and did not violate DK Basu guidelines. SI Rao did not question witnesses and compile evidence before arresting Shanti. In a different scenario, Shanti and Sushil complained about Mr. Shinde's son's theft of rupees 15,000. The police officer in charge of the police station should promptly lodge an FIR, that is first information report, to begin investigations. Factors influencing the police decision to register an FIR include the date, time, place, basic facts, and the complainant's name and address. What is the role of public prosecutor? The public prosecutor represents the interest of state in criminal cases, representing the interests of the state. They conduct the prosecution on behalf of the state, acting impartially and presenting all facts, witnesses, and evidence. What is the role of the judge? The judge, like an umpire, conducts the trial impartially and in an open court, hearing all witnesses and evidence. They decide whether the accused is guilty or innocent based on the evidence presented and the law. What is a fair trial? So, if convicted, the judge may sentence the person to jail or impose a fine. A fair trial is essential to ensure justice and fairness in criminal cases. A fair trial ensures that Article 21 of the Constitution, which guarantees the right to life, is upheld. In the case of Shanti, a woman accused of theft, the judge assumed her innocent and decided on the basis of the evidence presented. The prosecution failed to prove beyond reasonable doubt that Shanti was guilty, and the judge remained impartial. The evidence showed that some young men were the thief, not Shanti, and the judge set Shanti free. This fair trial ensured that Shanti's life or liberty could only be taken away by following a reasonable and just legal procedure, upholding the constitutional right to life. The process of a fair trial, as described in the case of Shanti, includes an open court, basis of evidence, and cross-examination of prosecution witnesses. The Constitution and law ensures that all individuals, regardless of their background, should carry out their roles properly to ensure a fair trial for all citizens, ensuring the rule of law and equality. So here our chapter ends. If you want, you can have a look at the glossary. It will be better for you if you have a glance at this. Accused, cognizable, what is cross-examined, what is detention, impartial, offense, to be charged of a crime, witness. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much.